Video presented to you by Unique to Billions e-learning. Please subscribe it and press the bell icon. In this video, we are going to solve 3 problems to calculate mean of group data. Class 10 Mathematics, Chapter 14 Statistics. Exercise 14.1. First question number 1. A survey was conducted by a group of students as a part of their environment awareness program, in which they collected the following data regarding the number of plants in 20 houses in a locality. Find the mean number of plants per house. Data is given. Which method did you use for finding the mean and why? I am putting it in columns. Number of plants, second column is number of houses. I know it is Fi, so I am writing it 0 to 2, it is 1, 2 to 4, it is 2, 4 to 6, 1, 6 to 8, 5, 8 to 10, 6, 10 to 12, 2, and 12 to 14, it is 3. Next step is to calculate the class mark, which is Xi. I know class mark is equal to upper class limit plus lower class limit divided by 2. So for first group, 2 plus 0 divided by 2 is equal to 1. For second, 4 plus 2 divided by 2 is equal to 3. Like that I can calculate 6 plus 4 by 2 is equal to 5. 8 plus 6 divided by 2 is equal to 7. 10 plus 8 divided by 2 is equal to 9. 12 plus 10 divided by 2 is equal to 11. And 14 plus 12 divided by 2 is equal to 13. Now, look at the numbers. Fi's are 1, 2, 1, 5, 6, 2, 3. They are small numbers. What about the class mark Xi? Xi are also small numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 and 13. Since Xi are small numerical values, we can use the direct method. So I need to find Fi Xi. For first group, 1 into 1 is equal to 1, 2 into 3 is equal to 6, 1 into 5 is equal to 5, 5 into 7 is equal to 35, 6 into 9 is equal to 54, 2 into 11 is equal to 22 and 3 into 13 is equal to 39. We know by direct method mean of observed data x bar is equal to sum of Fi Xi divided by sum of Fi. It is already given in the question that sum of Fi is 20, or we can calculate it. Now we need to calculate sum of Fi Xi. We can calculate it as 162. Substituting the values, I will get 162 divided by 20, that is equal to 8.1. So mean number of plants per house is equal to 8.1. Other question is, which method did you use for finding the mean and why? We used direct method here. Why? Look at the values of fi's and xi's. We can see they are small enough to calculate easily. Therefore, we use direct method because values of xi's and fi's are small. Now we are moving to the second question. Question number 2 in the exercise. Consider the following distribution of daily wages of 50 workers of a factory. Data is given. Find the mean daily wages of the workers of the factory by using an appropriate method. Putting it into columns. First, daily wages in rupees. Second is number of workers. So I am writing 500 to 520, 520 to 540, 540 to 560, 560 to 580, 580 to 600. The number of workers for each group are 12, 14, 8, 6 and 10. This value is Fi. First step is to find the class mark Xi. We know class mark is upper class limit plus lower class limit divided by 2. Here it is 520 plus 500 divided by 2 is equal to 510. 540 plus 520 divided by 2 is equal to 530. 560 plus 540 divided by 2 is equal to 550. 580 plus 560 divided by 2 is equal to 570, and the last 600 plus 580 divided by 2 is equal to 590. Now look at the values of xi's are very large. We cannot use the direct method. Now we are moving to the second method, that is the assumed mean method. For this, let A, the assumed mean, is equal to 550. Therefore, the deviation di can be written as xi minus A. Here A is 550, therefore that is equal to xi minus 550. Now I can write di for the first group is 510 minus 550, that is equal to minus 40. 530 minus 550 is equal to minus 20. 550 minus 550 is equal to 0. 570 minus 550 is equal to 20. 590 minus 550 is equal to 40. Now look at these values are also somewhat bigger in size. Therefore, I have to move to the step deviation method. In the step deviation method, I have to choose h. a suitable divisor. Here the class width is 20, that is 520 minus 500, and it is same or equal for all the classes. Therefore I can take H, the suitable divisor, as equal to the class width, that is equal to 20. Therefore I can write Ui is equal to di by H, that is equal to di by 20. For the first case, it is minus 40 divided by 20 is equal to minus 2. And for this, minus 20 divided by 20 is equal to minus 1. 0 divided by 20 is equal to 0. 20 divided by 20 is equal to 1. And 40 divided by 20 is equal to 2. Now we need to find Fi Ui to find U bar. We know Fi's are given here, Ui's we already calculated. 12 into minus 2 is equal to minus 24. 14 into minus 1 is 14. 8 into 0 is 0. 6 into 1 is 6. 10 into 2 is 20. We know U bar is equal to sum of Fi Ui divided by sum of Fi. Sum of Fi is already given, it is 50. And we need to calculate sum of Fi Ui. It is minus 24 minus 14 plus 0 plus 6 plus 20, that is minus 12. Substituting the values, I will get minus 12 by 50. That is equal to minus 0.24. Now we know the relation between x bar and u bar is x bar is equal to a plus h u bar. We know a is equal to 550, h is 20, and u bar is minus 0.24. That is equal to 550 minus 4.8. Therefore, x bar is equal to 545.2. Therefore, mean daily wages of workers of the factory is equal to rupees 545.2. Now we are going to the third question. Question number 3 in the exercise. The following distribution shows the daily pocket allowance of children of a locality. The mean pocket allowance is rupees 18. Find the missing frequency f. So in this question, mean is given and we have to find f. Putting it in columns, daily pocket allowance, in rupees, number of children, first group 11 to 13, number of children 7, 13 to 15, number of children 6, 15 to 17, number of children 9, 17 to 19, number of children 13, 19 to 21, number of children f. It is not given, that we need to find out. 21 to 23, number of children 5, and 23 to 25, number of children 4. First, class mark xi. We know class mark is equal to upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. Therefore, 13 plus 11 by 2 is equal to 12. 15 plus 13 divided by 2 is equal to 14. 17 plus 15 divided by 2 is equal to 16. 19 plus 17 divided by 2 is equal to 18. 21 plus 19 divided by 2 is equal to 20. 23 plus 21 divided by 2 is equal to 22. 25 plus 23 divided by 2 is equal to 24. The values of xi's are large, so I am going to the second method, that is the assumed mean method. Therefore, di is equal to xi minus a. I have to calculate. For doing this, I need to choose an a. The middle value or the center value is 18. Therefore, I am choosing a is equal to 18. Therefore, di is equal to xi minus 18. For the first case, therefore, di is equal to 12 minus 18, that is equal to minus 6. Now, 14 minus 18 is equal to minus 4. 16 minus 18 is equal to minus 2. 18 minus 18 is equal to 0. 20 minus 18 is equal to 2. 22 minus 18 is equal to 4, and 24 minus 18 is equal to 6. Now the values of di are small enough to multiply easily. Therefore, I can do it by assumed mean method. So I need to find fi di to calculate the mean deviation. That is 7 into minus 6 is equal to minus 42. 6 into minus 4 is equal to minus 24. 9 into minus 2 is equal to minus 18. 13 into 0 is equal to 0. F into 2 is equal to 2f. 5 into 4 is equal to 20, and 4 into 6 is equal to 24. For calculating mean of deviations d bar, I need to find sum of fi di and sum of fi. This is fi, I know the frequencies. I need to find sum of fi, that is 7 plus 6, 13 plus 9, 22 plus 13, 35 plus 5, 40 plus 4, 44 plus f. Therefore, it is 44 plus f. And what is sum of fi di? I have to add minus 42, minus 24, minus 18, plus 0, plus 2f, plus 20, plus 24. That is equal to minus 40 plus 2f. Substituting the values, I will get mean deviation is equal to minus 40 plus 2f divided by 44 plus f. We know the relation between mean and mean of deviations, that is x bar is equal to a plus d bar. In this question, the mean x bar is given, that is 18. We know a is equal to 18 and d bar is minus 40 plus 2f divided by 44 plus f. Substituting these values in this equation, I will get 18 is equal to 18 plus minus 40 plus 2f divided by 44 plus f. we know this 18 can be put here, that is 18 minus 18, that is equal to 0, is equal to minus 40 plus 2f divided by 44 plus f. Cross multiplying, we will get minus 40 plus 2f is equal to 0, or 2f is equal to 40, or f is equal to 40 divided by 2 is equal to 20. Our aim here is to calculate f. So I calculated f is equal to 20. I think you understood how to calculate mean of group data in 3 methods, that is direct method, assumed mean method and step deviation method. Thank you for watching this video. Keep learning. If you are not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe it. Also, please like and share this video.